Good morning students. Last class we completed senses and organs. No? Today that exercise is pick out the correct answers. Similar kind of a tissue combines together to form organs. Cell, tissue, organ system, then body. The integumentary system consists of a skin. The system helps in digesting the food we eat. The system is digestive system. This system pumps the blood throughout the body, that is circulatory system. This system consists of kidneys. Excretory system consists of the kidney. Here read the hints and write the corresponding organ system with the help of pictures. See here they had given some hints. Act as a sense organ. Ears are the act as the sensing organ. Help in the digesting the food we eat. That mouth help in the intake of the oxygen. That is nose. Give the shape and structure of our body. That is bone and are joined to the skeletal. Skeletal joined agiradu body. And pulps the blood of all of our body, that is heart, and has a mainly cartilage and is a part of a respiratory system is lungs, and extract excess water from body and toxic from the blood, that is kidney. And here arrange the building blocks of an organism in the increasing order. Cell after tissue, organ system, then organisms. Here pick the odd one out. Here bone, muscle, skeleton, joints. Bones, skeleton and joints are the same. Muscle is the odd one, so that is odd one. Heart, blood, stomach, blood vessel. This in this stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and brain. In this brain, spinal cord, nerves, and kidney. Here kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, kidney, bone. This in here bone, lungs, nose, windpipe, and food pipe. In this nose. Here one activity is there. You have to try this activity. Read and try. Okay. Here answer the following. Write down the 5 senses. 5 sensing organs are nose, eyes, skin, tongue and ear. Define the cell. Cells are the building blocks of life. Write the names of the organ involved in the excretory system. These are lungs, kidney, liver, skin and large intestine. What is the main function of muscle in our body? The main function of muscle in our body is movement. Define the reproductive system. This system helps a human to give a birth to younger one. Name the parts of a framework in a skeletal system. Parts are bone, ligament, tendons and cartilage are the part of the framework. Okay, thank you.